Welcome back, it's Hema Ready here, and the pound is under pressure. I've got key market timing coming in for GBPUSD, that's your major currency pair, and today's Monday, October 25th, 2021. So before we look at the charts, important reminder that trading and investing can be extremely risky business. Therefore, it's your responsibility to evaluate any information, opinion, advice, or other content contained in this video. All right, what you see here is the daily chart. So each candlestick representing 1 day of price action for the British pound versus US dollar pair, right? This is one of the top 5 traded currencies in the world. And you can see here, I've got this funny name here, skinny on the pound. And it says Q4 2021 report highlights. So I just completed my quarterly review of 20 of the hottest markets out there that I present to my Skinny Outlook annual members. And the skinny on the pound is my workup of the GBPUSD ticker. Now, these are just highlights. So I have one resistance level for you, one support, past key timing levels, and I'll talk about timing in a moment. And I want to focus in on what's happening now. If you'd like to know the other tickers that I include in my market outlooks, hint, hint, look down at the bottom of your screen. So coming into the pound right now, we've got key timing this week. The specific date for the key timing where I expect a market turn to the downside is in the actual full report. But knowing that is coming in this week, you can still benefit. So let's bring our attention to the more recent price action. Okay, you can see there was this run up from October into March, big sideways range, and now we're slowly coming back down. So if I look at the more recent price action, what I have in my forecasting tools that I detail in the loss forecasting trading system is the expectation of a high to form where we are right now. Now, my trifecta approach to the market covers price, time, and momentum. So for price action, we are at a really important set of resistance levels. They're anchored to the September 14th high, and students of my 4 zones RSI coverage system, you know what that's all about, because that's one of my favorite ways to determine support or resistance. As for the actual momentum indicator, down here we have my RSI power zones, and they are also presenting a bearish momentum pattern. Again, my 4 zones RSI students, you know what that is. And my advanced RSI power zone students, you can look back at the history of the RSI power zones on this daily chart and see even more information suggesting that we might be ready for further downside. So if the pound weakens from here, what do we expect? Well, the first major support level is this October 12th low. So we could have weakness into that low, but unless the market pushes below it, that could be it. So watch out for weakness up ahead in the pound, all right? Specifically, keep an eye on this October 19th range to see if we can weaken below it. And again, the specific date for the market timing coming in this week is in my full report in the skinny on the pound as part of my Q4 2020 outlook. So for those of you who are new to Hema Ready Land or you haven't come to visit yet, let me show you what I mean when I say the skinny market outlooks. So here I brought over the HemaReady.com portal that has my foundational education. And you can see right here in the bottom right is the skinny market outlooks. I'm even going to take you inside. Now inside, there's various sets of reports, and the Q4 2021 reports are all listed out here. Okay, I'm going to reserve those for my members. But that's where the details are, along with the legend, the behind the scenes of how I make every single forecast in the reports. That's all detailed here, all for our Outlook annual members. So back to the chart real quick. Again, my analysis is pointing to likely weakness up ahead in the pound. Watch your price time momentum carefully. And for a closer look and a deeper dive, check out the full report, Skinny on the Pound, in the Skinny Market Outlook. So remember to subscribe, like, and follow, and I'll catch you on the inside. You can sign up at the link to get my hot, timely, actionable updates as soon as I publish right to your inbox.